Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Debushmita, clinical nutritionist and diabetic educator. In this pandemic situation, people are becoming aware of the importance of healthy foods for ensuring optimal immune functions to keep various types of infections away. In this video, I am going to share with you some nutrient-dense food items by which you can boost up your immunity power naturally.
The immune system is the body's defense against infections. It attacks germs and helps to keep us healthy. When the body senses foreign substances, that is called antigens, the immune system works to recognize the antigens and get rid of them. Humans have three types of immunity. First one is innate immunity. Everyone born with innate or natural immunity. It provides an immediate response to foreign invaders. For example, the skin acts as a barrier to block virus, bacteria, and other toxic substances from entering the body. Second is adaptive immunity. It develops throughout our lifespan. We develop adaptive immunity when we are exposed to diseases or when we are immunized against them with vaccines. Third is passive immunity. Passive immunity produced by the transfer of antibodies to one person that were produced by another person. For example, a newborn baby acquires passive immunity from its mother through the placenta. There is no such proved medicine that can increase your immunity. The best thing you can do to strengthen immunity is to make healthy lifestyle, getting enough sleep, keeping physically active, and having a nutrient-rich diet. Some nutrients that have been identified as very important for the growth and function of immune cells include protein, vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, iron, selenium, etc. The WHO guidelines on diet, especially during the current pandemic, states that good nutrition is crucial for health, particularly in times when the immune system might need to fight back. Turmeric or haldi. It is one of the most common food ingredients in our kitchens. It is used as a root and in the dried powdered state for cooking. It helps the process of cooking and adds nutritional value to it. It has been used in India for thousands of years as a spice and medicinal herb. Number 1. Powerful immunity booster. The main ingredient in turmeric is curcumin. It helps in boosting up the immunity and fight against viral replication. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can be prevent chronic inflammation and such diseases. Number 3. Antioxidant properties. Turmeric has powerful antioxidant effects that neutralizes free radicals and also stimulates antioxidant enzymes. Number 4. Anti-cancer effect. It can reduces the spread of cancer and can contribute to the death of cancerous cells. Number 5. Helps to treat stomach ulcer. Turmeric helps to treat stomach ulcer and irritation, purifies blood and eliminating toxins from it. Low-fat yogurt. Yogurt is a dairy product made by fermenting milk with a yogurt culture. It provides almost every nutrient that our body needs. It is rich source of protein, calcium, B vitamins and trace minerals. Number 1. Strengthen immune system. Yogurt contains active living bacteria known as probiotics that have an immunity boosting effect. It also helps to stimulate the immune system, fight off diseases and keep the intestine healthy. Number 2. Good for bone health. Yogurt is a rich source of calcium. It not only maintains bone density but also strengthens them. It is linked with healthy growth of bones for youngest and reduce bone loss and lower risk of broken bones in olders. Number 3. Beneficial for digestive health. Yogurt contains probiotics, which is good for digestive health by reducing gastrointestinal disorders and helps to keep the intestine healthy. Number 4. High protein source. Yogurt is an excellent source of protein that helps in metabolism by increasing energy expenditure. Number 5. Helps to feel full for long time. Yogurt consumption decreases the feeling of hunger more than other dairy products. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits include orange, tangerine, lemon, lime, grapefruit, etc. Number 1. An excellent source of vitamin C. Citrus fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C. It increases the production of white blood cell or WBC, which plays a vital role in fighting against infections. Number 2. Good source of fiber. Citrus fruits are good source of soluble fiber, which help to lower cholesterol and also help in digestion. Number 3. Role in cancer treatment. These fruits contain flavonoids that help to protect against cancer. Number 4. Boost brain functions. These fruits and juices helps to boost brain function, protect the brain from neurodegenerative disorders. Number 5. Citrus fruits are rich source of potassium and beta carotene. Almonds. Almonds are used in many delicious items like dessert, milkshake, etc. It is also used in producing oils. Almonds are the most nutritious and healthiest food. It is also called the king of nuts in India. Number 1. Boost the immune system. Almonds are rich in vitamin A, which is a powerful antioxidant. It eliminates the harmful free radicals from the body which promote chronic diseases. Number 2. Control blood sugar. These are low in carbohydrates but high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber that stabilize blood sugar. Number 3. Lower bad cholesterol. Almonds are rich in monounsaturated fatty acid that doesn't increase the risk of LDL or bad cholesterol and lowering the risk of heart diseases. Number 4. Good source of energy. They are rich source of vitamin A, magnesium, and contain lots of protein to help sustain energy throughout the day. Number 5. Lower blood pressure. Almonds are rich in magnesium, which can help in lowering blood pressure. Ginger. Ginger is a healthy spice. In food and beverages, it is used as a flavoring agent. Ginger helps in energy circulation in the body and increase body's metabolic rate. Number 1. Helps in boosting immunity. Due to the presence of gingerol, an active compound makes ginger a perfect immunity booster. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which helps to fight against infections. Number 2. Helps to treat chronic indigestion. Ginger is ideal for assisting digestion by improving food absorption and avoiding possible stomachache. Number 3. Treats muscle pain. Ginger is effective at reducing the day-to-day progression of muscle pain. It also reduces exercise-induced muscle pain. Number 4. Combat morning sickness. Ginger is highly effective against nausea and vomiting, especially for morning sickness related. Number 5. Protects from Alzheimer's disease. The antioxidant and bioactive compound in ginger can inhibit inflammatory responses of brain and protect against age-related damage to the brain. It also improves the brain function.
Did you find this video helpful? Give me a like and comment. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for new videos. And thank you for watching.